Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the face recognition scanner on your Motorola Moto G14 isn't recognizing your face properly. So in such case, we're gonna have to set up the Face ID once again. So let's go to settings and let's scroll down to security and privacy menu. In this menu, we're gonna have to select device unlock, then go to face and fingerprint unlock and enter the password, then go to face unlock and delete the previously enrolled face model from your smartphone, just like this. And after that, we're gonna have to make sure that the frontal camera of the smartphone is clean and smooth, so wipe it using a microfiber cloth ideally, but if you don't have microfiber cloth around, just use a dry towel instead. And after that, also adjust the lights in your room so that they face you and not your device's camera, so that you can clearly see your face in camera, and make sure that your face isn't way too bright. Then tap Setup Face Unlock, then tap I agree, and position your face in the circle on your smartphone screen until your phone detects your face and registers it. Okay, and this process is pretty quick, so we're gonna have to make sure that the face is recorded properly. And before we try to check this feature, let's go to System Updates and let's check for available updates. And as you can see, I actually have one security update preparing on my device, and it is essential to update your device to the latest software version, because this way you will make sure that all the system, all the software works in touch with the hardware on your phone, and therefore your face recognition scanner and your fingerprint recognition scanners, so that they both work as intended. So in my case, the security update is almost prepared, so let's wait for a couple of minutes until it's finished. Okay, and once the update is prepared, you just have to tap Restart Now. Otherwise, if you don't have any updates prepared for your smartphone, then just restart your device manually by holding down power button and volume up keys simultaneously, and then selecting the restart option on your device's screen. After that, wait until your phone is restarted. And after the phone is restarted, let's first unlock it using a password, and then wait until the system is fully loaded. It's gonna take a couple of seconds, maybe even up to half a minute. And right now, I think we can already check our face recognition scanner. So just look directly at your device's screen and your phone should be unlocked. Okay, let's try it once again. And as you can see, the feature works perfectly, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.